Here's how to install the necessary harnesses and the telemetry box for your cashless system in a Model 3589 vending machine. You will need a set of needle nose pliers and an 11/32" nut driver. Before you start the process, make sure that your machine is powered off. 3 different harnesses were included in your Greenlite kit: the DEX harness, your door switch harness, and the MDB harness. The MDB harness here will plug into the MDB line just like the coin mechanism and the bill acceptor. This must be the first item coming out of the control board. Remove the cover off the control board and locate the MDB cable that is part of the bill acceptor and disconnect it by squeezing the tab and pulling it loose. Take the Greenlite MDB cable and connect it to the existing plug for your bill acceptor. Push it together until it clicks into place. Connect the other end to the control board. The MDB harness provides power and data to the orange Greenlite box. Next, hook up the GVC DEX harness right underneath the red light on the control board. Then take your Greenlite DEX harness and insert it into the GVC DEX harness. Make sure that it fully clicks into place. The DEX harness sends sales data to the website, allowing sales and inventory to be recorded. You'll find the DEX jock mount in your Greenlite kit. This part is optional to install. Remove the nut on your DEX harness, then place the harness through the hole in the mount and tighten the nut. You'll need an 11/32" nut driver to secure the mount in the machine. To install, remove the nut above the control board and insert the mount in place. Then tighten with your 11/32" nut driver. The next harness to install is the Greenlite door harness. It detects when the door is open and shut. Disconnect the 2 plugs from the door switch using needle nose pliers. Then insert the Greenlite door harness in between. It does not matter which plug goes in where. Then place the 2 plugs back in the door switch. The Greenlite DEX harness is now inserted between the control board and the door switch. Then remove the Greenlite box and the Velcro from the Greenlite kit. Copy down the 6-digit device number on the Greenlite box to the paperwork found in the Greenlite kit. This information will be used when setting up your Greenlite system online. Now you will want to route your harnesses. Gather your harnesses and follow the existing harness back up through the machine and out the connection hole. Once the harnesses are pulled through, you can connect them to the bottom of the Greenlite box. The door harness, the MDB harness, the card reader harness, and the DEX harness. Lastly, install the antenna harness by screwing it in the top of the box. Take the zip ties from the Greenlite kit to organize your harnesses. It can be helpful to keep the zip ties loose until the harnesses are routed and the Greenlite box is placed. Place the Velcro on the back of the Greenlite box. Then mount the Greenlite box where you can see it and access all the buttons. It is generally good to place it toward the front of the machine on the wall. Once you know where you would like to place it, remove the plastic and stick the Greenlite box on the wall. Now you can go back and clip your zip ties and tighten them. In the Greenlite kit, you will find your labels to place on the machine about accepted forms of payment. Including the choice to use the 10-cent discount sticker for cash purchases. For more information, refer to the documents that came with the Greenlite kit and the Greenlite website. More technical support is available by contacting Vendnet USA.